Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
The COVID-19 cases in Navi Mumbai have gone through the roof, even breaking the 200 mark barrier in a day. The highest single day spike so far, a shocking 202 cases were reported by Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation on Thursday. It has also reported 9 deaths, which again is the maximum single day fatality figure in the city. The total COVID-19 positive cases in the city has now shot up to 4,391, with the death figure now standing at 138. Less than one-third of the patients recovered on the day, with the recoveries being 62. The total number of patients who have recovered so far is now 2,519. The recovery rate has come down from 60% to 57% in the last few days. The active cases figure is 1,734. 35,930 people have completed their quarantine period. 9,826 people are still quarantined at home. 16,018 people have been tested so far for COVID-19 in Navi Mumbai. Of these, 11,020 people have tested negative. Results of 607 tests are pending. The breakup of 202 positive cases ward-wise is: Belapur Ward 15, Nerul Ward 16, Vashi Ward 13, Turbe Ward 19, Koparkhirne Ward 33, Ghansoli Ward 37, Airoli Ward 46 and Digha Ward 23. There are 15 children amongst the positive patients today. These include an 8-year-old girl from Sector 23 Juinagar, a 17-year-old boy from Sector 1920 Belapur, a 14-year-old girl from Sector 6 in Koparkhirne, a 16-year-old boy from Sector 16 in Airoli, a 3-year-old girl from Sector 12D in Koparkhirne, a 13-year-old girl from Sector 6 in Airoli, a 6-year-old boy from Sector 7 Ghansoli, an 11-year-old girl from Sector 6 in Airoli, an 11-year-old boy from Sector 15 in Vashi, 12-year-old boy from Sector 17 in Koparkhirne, a 6-year-old girl from Sector 17 in Koparkhirne, a 17-year-old boy from Digha, a 14-year-old girl from Anandnagar Digha, a 12-year-old boy from Digha and a 3-year-old girl from Sector 10 Airoli. The list of patients who have tested positive today is on your screen. The breakup of 62 recoveries ward-wise is as follows: Belapur Ward 5, Nerul Ward 9, Vashi Ward 1, Turbe Ward 13, Koparkhirne Ward 12, Ghansoli Ward 5, Airoli Ward 9 and Digha Ward 8. In a sign of improving situation and also the fact that most migrant and stranded workers have returned to their native places, the people who are being provided free meals by NMMC has gone down drastically from the thousands figure earlier. 372 needy persons, including migrant workers, homeless citizens, persons with disabilities and senior citizens who have no one to care, were provided free meals twice in the day at the 3 community kitchens established by NMMC. The meals are being provided by NMMC with the help of NGOs and citizens volunteering to support. It was a worry when the cases went above 100 in a single day so far. With the 200 mark being reached today, one hopes and prays that it does not become a norm and remains an exception. Stay safe. For Avas Today, Shahnawaz Jedi, Navi Mumbai.
Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.